people must be doing well these days. And if you came to my channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also ring the notification bell down there so that you will get a notification whenever I will upload a video on my channel. So as you know from the title, today's video is all about a haul video. Like recently I got so many stuffs from Myntra. So I thought let's make a Myntra haul for you all, and you all are always asking me about my outfits on Instagram. Like as you know, I am much more active on Instagram. One more thing guys, in this video I have some important information about Myntra app for you all. So don't skip this video, and if you want to shop with Myntra app, so without skipping anything in this video, continue watching. Okay, so the first product which I have from my Myntra haul is this Roadster maroon high-low top, and the tops looks like this. Okay, let me show you properly that how it actually looks. And the price of these tops is 454, but I always order from Myntra. That's why some points are added in my orders. That's why I got it for only 363. And this one is from Roadster. And as you know, Myntra always provides us such good quality product. Like whatever you will order from Myntra in the dress collections, you will never regret. That's why I am just satisfied with it, and the product is just amazing. I have from Myntra is these black tops, and this one is my most favorite tops. Can you see guys? And this design will be in your back, and the front side looks like this. Okay, I will show you the details by wearing the tops, and no need to worry about that. And can you believe the price guys? Okay, this one is non-branded, like I don't remember which brand this is, but this one is just for ₹299. Can you believe guys? Like something discounts 50 to 70% clearance sale was going on Myntra, and I purchased from that time. That's why I got these tops for ₹299. If you are thinking that I am uploading pictures on Instagram and you are thinking that all are from branded, no girls, just do check at Myntra. They have some amazing collections, and their price is just like wow. Like ऑर्गेनिक हो या फिर कोई भी आप हो, बाकी का आप इतनी अच्छी कलेक्शन के साथ इतनी रिजनेबल प्राइस पे अवेलेबल नहीं होता है. फ्लिपकार्ट अमेजन भी हमें टॉप्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं, बट उनकी कलेक्शन से Myntra की कलेक्शंस लाइक बहुत यूनिक होते हैं. लाइक मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है Myntra की कलेक्शंस, ड्रेस कलेक्शंस, एंड दैट्स व्हाई I just love Myntra app. And can you see guys, this tops is just for ₹300. Is not it the best? Yes, it is. And the quality is just amazing. Can you see like how floral the hand is, like floral, and their quality, don't ask about Myntra's dress quality. They are amazing. Branded हो या non branded हो, बहुत ही अच्छे होते हैं. And that's why I just loved it. And yeah,
ticking, time is over. Before you know you're older, so sober, alone. You getting my cold shoulder. You crying like it's rain. You causing all the pain. No closure, I'm colder. You getting nothing, Joker.
It's time for the third product which I have from my Myntra haul is this white jeans, and this one is from the brand Ether by Myntra. And can you believe the price of the jeans guys? Like this one is for ₹1499, but I told you na, there is something going on 50 to 70% sale on Myntra, and I got these jeans for only ₹599. Can you believe guys? Just ₹599. The brand is Ether by Myntra, and when I was making the video, I checked on Myntra, and this is for ₹824. And sometimes it varies, as you all know, their offers are going on. Something was going on like falana dhimkana whatever. And I thought, oh my god, I just got the jeans only for rupees 599 and I'm totally happy with my purchase. 1499 का चीज अगर 600 में मिल जाए तो हमें और क्या चाहिए. And just wait for the offers and always try to order your products from offers. You will always be get beneficial. And to be honest guys, I got this white jeans just for my recent 2 tops which I have shown before, like the red one from Roadster and the black one for this jeans. मुझे लगा कि मुझे एक black and red tops तो मैंने ले ली, so I really need a white jeans and to be honest I don't have any white jeans with me, so that's why let's go for this. And I got it from offer and I'm so happy.
You crying like it's rain, you causing all the pain. No closure, I'm colder. You getting nothing, Joker.
Get down.
Time for the next product which I have from my Myntra haul is this black and golden tops. And I recently got these things from Myntra, so I thought let's put all together and make a video for you all. And I really want to show that how Myntra is giving us such amazing dress quality, and that's the main motto of making this video. And as you can see, the tops looks like this, and here is your net portion and your hand is also net, and this is a full sleeve tops. And this one is for rupees 999, and I forgot the brand of these tops, but I will give everything, like the details, like the link, the name, the actual price, the price I got. I will provide everything, no need to worry about that, as I always do. And yeah, I just love these tops. Like if you are wearing M from Flipkart, Amazon, LimeRoad, Snapdeal or Banik, like other apps, then just go for S in Myntra, because Myntra में थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही जो उनका साइज होता है थोड़ा ज़्यादा बड़ा होता है. That's why you're gonna regret that. I guess every girl knows outside that Myntra provides us like extra big size, and that's why I got S for me. And if you are like me, like if you are in my size, then just go for S, and otherwise you will order according to your size. And I just love these tops. Like मुझे literally चाहिए था कि black and golden का एक net का tops, and I finally got it. And I saw the price is 999 rupees, and I got it for only 624. I'm just happy with my purchase. Like whenever I order anything from Myntra, I always got in offers. And now when I make this video, I also check their price of these tops. This one is again 999 rupees. I got from my Myntra haul is this maroon one piece, and the brand of this one piece is Athena, and the color is burgundy, and the price is 1999. Yes, little bit pricey, but their quality is just amazing, guys. Can you see the one piece? Okay, the one piece looks like this. And I really love burgundy kind of color. Like one piece पे मुझे वो ज़्यादा जो पसंद है कि blue color पसंद है, and black as always everyone's first choice. And I just love this kind of maroonish or burgundy kind of color, especially for one pieces, and that's why I bought it. And this is for rupees 2000, like 1999, and इसमें कुछ offers नहीं थे, so I got it in their actual price. But I just love their one piece collections. Like literally Myntra में अगर आप check करे हो and इसके one piece, like I can't express in words, guys. Like the quality is just amazing. Like oh my god, this is actually worth it. Like 2000 के लिए this is worth it. And if you are someone who loves to wear one piece, then do check at Myntra. Like मुझे नहीं लगता कि Myntra से ज़्यादा आपको किसी ऐप पे इतने ज़्यादा varieties with such reasonable price पे किसी ऐप पे आपको मिलेगा. Like कम choices होंगे and price भी hike होंगे. But Myntra is just love, guys. Love इसके लिए बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि ethnic हो, traditional हो, Myntra will just steal your heart. Like their collections are just wow, or you can say more than wow. And I just love my purchase, and I just love this one piece as well. So yeah. the next two products which I have from Myntra is their neck piece. I really love neck piece to wear, and the fast neck piece which I got from Myntra, this looks like this. Yeah, and the price is this one is rupees 998, but I got it after my discount like 500 or something like that. I will leave the link of the price, and the neck piece looks like this. I just loved it. Like ऐसे ही डिजाइन का एक neck piece चाहिए था, and I got it from Myntra. I know as a neck piece this is a little bit pricey, like 1000 के लिए ज़्यादा, and I don't know how their chain is going to ज़्यादा देर के लिए रहते हैं या फिर ऐसे ही फेड अवे हो जाते हैं, मुझे पता नहीं, but I just loved it. And the brand is Ayesha, like this one is from Ayesha brand, and the price is 998. Little bit costly, but मुझे ये चाहिए था, like इस डिजाइन का मुझे चाहिए था. And do check out Nykaa as well, like they have such amazing collections of neck piece, like 339 and 399 रुपीज में बहुत सारे कलेक्शंस आपको देखने को मिलेंगे. एंड ऑल्सो इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत सारे न्यू पेजेस अभी लॉन्च किए हैं नेक पीस, वहाँ पे भी चेक करना, वो भी बहुत अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में दे रहे हैं. नो नीड टू गो फॉर मिंत्रा, बट मिंत्रा में जो 300 की रेंज में है ना, उतना ज्यादा अच्छा कलेक्शन नहीं है नेक पीस में, बट मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड द प्राइस तो बता दिया मैंने 998, एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर रुपीज 500 और समथिंग लाइक दैट. And I just loved it. Now it's time for the last product which I have from my Myntra haul is a highlighter from Wet n Wild, but I can't show you guys. Like I got this highlighter from Myntra. Can you believe this? Just look at the highlighter, guys. Like it completely broken, and as you know, beauty products are non-returnable. चाहे आप मिंत्रा से मंगवाए हो, नायका से हो, अमेजन से हो, फ्लिपकार्ट से हो, ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स रिटर्न नहीं होते हैं. एंड मेरा ये बैड लक है कि मैंने ये बिल्कुल ब्रोकन, लाइक कुछ भी नहीं है लिटरली इसमें. एंड मैंने इसको होल्ड की थी, एंड कैन यू सी माई हैंड? I just kept this highlighter to show you all that if you want to purchase beauty product, don't go for Myntra. Please, it's a request for me to all my subscribers, all my viewers, those who are seeing me right now. Please don't go for Myntra if you want to purchase beauty things. Like आप Amazon से लो, Flipkart से लो, Nykaa से लो, चाहे कितना भी सेल पे Myntra पे आप देख लो कि हाँ ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स है. Don't go for Myntra. Okay, to be honest, this one is the rupees 499 rupees. As you know, Wet n Wild highlighters are rupees 499 rupees, but something sale was going on. And as you know, everyone loves sale. Like sale में कुछ product हमें अगर discount पे मिल रहे तो बहुत अच्छा है, right? And I got it for rupees 263. Like आप लोग सेल पे अगर ऐसे ही चीज दे रहे हो तो सेल क्यों कर रहे हो? And आपने लिखा है कि नॉन रिटर्नेबल भी है, right? So अगर आपको सेल पे इसी चीज को ही देना है तो मत दो. लाइक 263 रुपीज क्यों वेस्ट किए हम लोग? इसीलिए आप लोग सोचो कि हाँ चलो फ्री में मिला इसलिए आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है. आपको नायका पे फ्री पे नहीं मिलता है, अमेजन पे फ्री पे नहीं मिलता है, सेल नहीं चलता है. किस ऐप पे सेल नहीं चलता है? हर ऐप में सेल चलता है. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई मिंत्रा में ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. लाइक मेरे और एक फ्रेंड्स भी बोल रही थी कि उसने एक आई शेडो पैलेट ऑर्डर की थी, सी रिसीव्ड अ कंप्लीटली ब्रोकन प्रोडक्ट. लाइक व्हाई मिंत्रा? लाइक आई डोंट नो व्हाई. ओके, it's a disappointed thing for me, but I really want to show you that. Just have a look this highlighter, guys. Oh my god. And okay, let me. अब उसको ओपन करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. लाइक इतनी ज्यादा बिगड़ गई है उसकी हालत कि ने उसको देखो. इसका शील भी मैंने अभी तक ओपन नहीं किया. लाइक हियर इज द सील and I have not opened it yet, but I thought I will definitely share this with my subscribers because I don't want anyone around there to be in a trouble like me. Okay, अरे भाई सेल पे आप दे रहे हो तो everyone will expect that you are definitely giving us the actual things, right? I am going to throw it today, but I just kept the highlighter just to show you guys that don't go for Myntra for beauty products. Okay, अगर कुछ लोग आप मुझे कमेंट्स पे भी बताने वाले हो कि आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि सबके साथ ऐसा हो रहा है, मे बी, बट मेरे साथ हुआ है. And I will definitely going to share that. But this is my honest review. That's why I told from the beginning, please don't skip anything. I have really some important information for you all. So don't go for like. अब देख रहे हो कि मैं कैसे पकड़ी हूँ. Like my hands are just full of highlighter. Oh my god. Like एंड मुझे लगा कि हाँ चलो सेल पे 499 का रुपीज 260, लाइक हर आप में सेल चलता है, किसको पता था कि ऐसा ही प्रोडक्ट आएगा। अगर आप सोचोगे हाँ सेल पे देख के आप मंगवा दिए हो तो भुगतो तो भाई, क्यों भुगते हम लोग, ऐसा कुछ है क्या, लाइक सेल क्यों कर रहे हो, अगर आपको देना नहीं तो 499 रुपीज में ही दो। बट व्हेन आई वाज मेकिंग दिस वीडियो आई चेक्ड देयर प्राइसेस 363 रुपीज। बट गाइज डोंट गो फॉर मिंत्रा। अगर आप लोग कुछ ऑर्डर किए हो और आपका ठीक ठाक आए देन इट्स कम्प्लीटली ओके, आई एम हैप्पी फॉर यू जेन्युइनली, बट आई won't recommend anyone around there or any subscriber of my channel, don't go for Myntra if you want to purchase beauty things. But I will also suggest you people, if you are looking for amazing dress collection, Myntra is the best solution for you girls. Like मैं अभी भी बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि ड्रेस पे मुझे अभी तक कुछ डिसअपॉइंटेड नजर नहीं आया, तो मैं क्यों बोलूँ भाई, मेरा कोई पर्सनल दुश्मनी थोड़ी है मिंत्रा के साथ। But this product is just like the worst product I have ever received, and I'm just regretting. Like 260 rupees मेरे तो ऐसे ही गए, and I'm just going to throw it today. Like after the video, when I will going to end this video, after that I will just going to throw it, because अगर मैं सारे मेकअप के बाद हाइलाइटर लगाने बैठूंगी एंड मेरे सारे हाथ ऐसे हो जाएंगे एंड मेरे फेस पे तो क्या फायदा क्या है ऐसे हाइलाइटर का। एंड कैन यू बिलीव गाइज, when I opened it and I found this kind of things, I kept this highlighter in this box, like I got it from Miniso, and I thought no, I will share with my subscribers in the Myntra haul video, and that's why I kept this highlighter inside the packet and I will throw it all over. And yeah, this one is my honest review about this beauty products that don't go for Myntra. If you want to purchase any kind of dress collections, then Myntra is the best solution for you. Just go and grab from Myntra. Their collections are wow, their quality is just amazing, and you will never gonna regret or disappoint from the dress collections. Yeah, so I don't know how much of you how you will react over this review, but my honest review, and I don't want any kind of fake impressions, like कुछ अच्छा बोल के, मैं हमेशा अच्छा ही सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बोल के आपसे like interaction के लिए कुछ भी, no, I am not going to do that. जो सच है मैं वही ही बताऊंगी। एंड लाइक मैंने कभी भी नायका जो हॉल बनाई थी उसमें कुछ बताया था क्या, हाँ मैंने ऐसा रिसीव किया, मुझे जेन्युइनली ऐसा ही प्रोडक्ट मिला, तो व्हाई वोंट आई से दिस। सो या आई डोंट वांट कि मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स को कुछ भी लाइक मेरे से देख ले कि हाँ हाइलाइटर मंगवाई थी एंड वो लोग भी सेल में मिंत्रा से। डोंट गो फॉर मिंत्रा सेल when they are giving sale on beauty products. Don't go for Myntra. Go for dress. Like आप देख रहे हो ना 299 rupees and 1499 के jeans 499 rupees में मुझे मिला, and the quality is same as the sale price. Like, but beauty products, don't go, please. It's a request from me. So hey guys, that's all for today's video. I hope this video will helpful for you, all my subscriber or all my viewers. And one more thing guys, please let me know in the comment section below that how was your experience with Myntra, and hit the like button as well if you like the video, and also let me know in the comment section below that what you guys want to see next in this channel, and share this video as much as you can. And I love you all guys. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home.
Get down.